How to use Twitter X Spaces for live audio. So for that, let's get into our X. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Then from here, tap on your account right here. Then from here, tap on Spaces. Now in here, you can find multiple spaces that are currently live. So in here you can see these are all of the spaces that is currently live. You can even tap on the search bar right here and start searching for the exact space that you're looking for. In here, if you want to start your own space, what you can do is simply tap on this pop-up icon that you can see right here. After doing that, you can now name your space just like this. And you can even add topics. If you want to enable video, you can do so by enabling this option right here. And now you can simply tap on start now and start going live. But if you want to schedule it, you can simply tap on this icon right here and simply schedule a date. Tap on schedule just like this, and now your spaces has been scheduled successfully. This way you can use your Twitter X Spaces for live audio.